Welcome everyone to our session on project management. Today, we're diving into a fundamental concept, the project lifecycle. Understanding this cycle is crucial for anyone involved in bringing projects to successful completion. We'll explore the distinct stages a project goes through, from its very beginning to its final closure, and discuss some essential rules for effective project management. This knowledge forms the bedrock for navigating any project, big or small, with confidence and clarity. So, what exactly is a project lifecycle? It's essentially a structured framework that outlines the distinct phases a project progresses through, from its initial idea all the way to its successful completion. Think of it as a roadmap guiding you through the entire journey. Typically, this cycle encompasses several key phases: initiation, where the project is conceived; planning, where the roadmap is detailed; execution, where the work gets done; monitoring and control, ensuring everything stays on track; and finally, closure, where the project is formally wrapped up. Let's break down the four core phases of the project management lifecycle. First, the initiation stage is about understanding the project's goals, priorities, deadlines, and potential risks. It's the why and what of the project. Next, the planning stage focuses on outlining the specific tasks, resources, and timelines needed to execute the project effectively. This is the how. Then comes the execution stage, where the plan is put into action and project performance is actively monitored. Finally, the closure stage involves analyzing results, summarizing key learnings, and planning any necessary next steps. When we look at project completion over time, we often observe a distinct pattern. Projects typically begin with a slow start as teams get organized and initial tasks are set up. Following this, there's usually a period of quick momentum where significant progress is made, and the bulk of the work is completed efficiently. As the project nears its end, the pace tends to slow down again, entering a slow finish phase. This final stage involves wrapping up loose ends, testing, and final deliveries, ensuring everything is perfectly aligned for completion. The level of effort within a project also varies significantly across its life cycle. During the initiation and planning phases, the effort is moderate as foundational work is laid out. The peak effort level typically occurs during the execution phase, where the majority of the hands-on work is performed, requiring intense focus and resource allocation. As the project moves into closure, the effort gradually decreases, shifting towards final reviews, documentation, and handover. Each phase demands specific activities, from defining scope and initiation to final reporting and closure, all contributing to the project's success. Project cost estimation is a dynamic process that evolves throughout the project lifecycle. At the project start, estimates are often broad, with a wider range of potential variation due to many unknowns. However, as the project progresses and more information becomes available, the accuracy of these estimates significantly improves. By regularly updating estimates at key milestones, the range of potential cost variations narrows considerably. This continuous refinement allows for better financial control and more reliable budgeting as the project moves closer to completion. Effective project management relies on various forms of planning. Strategic planning is broad and long-range, setting overall goals. Tactical planning is more specific and short-range, focusing on objectives for lower-level managers. Contingency planning involves creating backup plans in case primary plans encounter unforeseen issues, providing a safety net. Lastly, operational planning sets the daily work standards and schedules, ensuring tasks are performed efficiently. Each type of planning plays a crucial role in guiding a project from conception to successful delivery. To ensure good planning, we can remember the acronym GEOCARTS. The first four rules are essential for setting a strong foundation. First, always set a clear project goal. This defines what you aim to achieve. Second, determine the project objectives, which are the specific, measurable steps to reach that goal. Third, establish checkpoints, activities, relationships, and time estimates to map out the project's flow. Finally, draw a picture of the project schedule to visualize the timeline and dependencies. These steps are vital for a well-structured plan. For successful project implementation, we can use the acronym DRIVER. These rules focus on the human element and execution. Fifth, direct people individually and as a project team, providing clear guidance. Sixth, reinforce the commitment and excitement of the project team to maintain morale. Seventh, keep everyone connected with the project informed to ensure transparency. Eighth, build agreements that vitalize team members, fostering collaboration. Ninth, empower yourself and others on the project team to take ownership. Finally, 10th, encourage risk-taking and creativity to foster innovation. When we talk about project success, it's not just about planning, it's also about implementation. Think of it like building and driving a go-kart. You can design and build the most perfect go-kart, a grade A plan, but if you don't have a skillful driver, a grade B implementation, it won't win the race. Conversely, even a decent go-kart, a grade B plan, can achieve victory with an excellent driver. Effective project managers understand that building a good plan is crucial, but skillfully executing that plan is what truly gets projects across the finish line. This brings us to a critical question: which is more important in project success, a grade A plan or grade A implementation? It's a debate that often arises in project management. Is it better to have a meticulously detailed, perfect plan, or is the ability to execute flawlessly the true determinant of success? We often see projects with brilliant strategies falter due to poor execution, while others with less perfect plans achieve great results through sheer determination and effective action. The answer often surprises people. A grade B plan with a grade A implementation is much better than a grade A plan but with a grade B implementation. This highlights a fundamental truth in project management. While good planning is essential, the ability to execute that plan effectively, adapt to challenges, and drive the project forward is paramount. It's the skillful execution, the consistent effort, and the ability to overcome obstacles that truly lead to project success, even if the initial blueprint wasn't absolutely perfect.